Hello, and welcome to Virtual Investor Conferences. On behalf of OTC Markets and Independent Trading Group, we're very pleased you joined us for the Blockchain and Digital Assets Conference. The next live presentation is from BIGG Digital Assets. Please note you can submit questions for the presenter in the box to the left of the slides. You can also view a company's availability for one-on-one meetings through the Schedule Meetings tab found on the conference platform. At this point, I'm very pleased to welcome Fraser Matthews. He's the President and Chief Executive Officer of Netcoins and a board member of BIGG Digital Assets, which trades on the OTCQX Best Market under the symbol BBKCF and on the TSXV as BIGG. Welcome, Fraser.
Thanks for having me. Well, I appreciate being here today, and thank you for all those in attendance as well. I'll take you through a presentation today about our company, our organization, how things have been going through 2024 into 2025, and we'll have plenty of time at the end for audience questions as well. So BIGG Digital Assets is comprised of three different companies. There's Netcoins, Blockchain Intelligence Group, and TerraZero, all of which are wholly owned by BIGG Digital Assets. And as of June 1st, we had a market cap of 48 million Canadian dollars. Some of the highlights of our organization from 2024 and where we stand today. Our revenue in 2024 was 12.4 million Canadian dollars, up from 6.5 in the year previous. We have $30 million in cash and crypto in our treasury. We also have a Bitcoin-specific treasury component as part of that, which is worth $9 million, 68 Bitcoin. Netcoins has over 200 million assets under custody and had a trading volume of $830 million in 2024, and is proud to have over 250,000 users. And during 2024, TerraZero, our metaverse company, launched its own open beta of its Introverse, and Blockchain Intelligence Group launched a tokenized app and Clue Express, all of which I'll get into greater detail as part of this presentation. I'm going to start with Netcoins, where I happen to be the president and CEO. And Netcoins is operating in both Canada and the United States, proudly Canadian, but also has able to enter that United States market. We're very much focused on bringing North Americans on chain. And what that means to us at Netcoins is bringing the digital future to the financial services sector. So digital assets, allowing individuals, businesses, institutions, corporations to invest in crypto, in digital assets, whether it's buying and selling or holding and custodying with us, swapping assets, changing asset classes, staking their assets on our platform and allowing them to gain a return on their investment, sending them, whether it's peer-to-peer or cross-border, making payments with their crypto assets, and custodying them in a safe and secure manner on our platform. We're really competing for share of wallet, both on the crypto side and on the financial services side, as crypto and blockchain start to evolve and take more market share away from traditional banking. Netcoins is a trading platform that's been in operation for over 10 years at this point in time. Humble beginnings 10 years ago with a small tech platform that evolved into kiosks, the point of sale systems, the ATMs, to where we are today, which is a fully registered crypto trading platform. We're a restricted dealer, which means we're allowed to operate across Canada under the regulatory framework that exists. We're also registered under the Canadian Securities Administration, and we're a money services business in Canada. We're currently in the process of our application for CIRO, the Canadian Investment Regulatory Organization, where we will apply to be a member during the fall of this year. We've had over $3 billion worth of lifetime trading value. We're Canada's first exchange to fully open in the US market. And during last year, we had $11.5 million worth of revenue. Last year, we had $830 million in trading volume. And in 2025, we're on pace for $1 billion in trading volume. So we've had steady growth year over year. As we get into our product suite, we've got over 60 assets that are available. We've got a web platform, a mobile app. We allow market orders, limit orders. We've got a coin widget that's on your phone that allows you to track prices. We have an API trading solution that allows individuals or businesses or fintechs to immediately draw liquidity from Netcoins by plugging into us through our technology. We also have an OTC trading desk, so you can do voice or text chat in order to execute trades, typically at higher volume and at higher scale through the group. We have the Netcoins Pay MasterCard. It's a prepaid card, meaning that your Canadian dollar balance on Netcoins is empowered and enabled to be spent wherever MasterCard is accepted. And instead of cash back, you receive Bitcoin back into your account. And we also have our staking program, allowing Canadian users to stake Ethereum, Atom or Cosmos, and Polkadot with up to 4.2% earnings on Ethereum and growing even stronger throughout it. We also have Solana that's available for staking on the platform as well. And this is only available in the Canadian market. As far as our first quarter, we saw a great start to the year with nearly $335 million worth of trading volume, generating for us $3.34 million in revenue. So it was a strong Q1, but we're very happy with the start that we had at the beginning of this year. And we hope to see success from a financial situation as we proceed through the year. And that's going to be really built out by our roadmap for this year. During Q1, we added new coins to the platform for trading and for staking. We launched a brand new web app that allows our users to have more advanced trading tools. We implemented TradingView, which is really empowering software built into the Netcoins platform now for advanced charting, advanced analytics, and information. And as well, we're the first Canadian trading platform to become a Circle Alliance member, which as part of that partnership allows us better access to liquidity, to tools, to the Circle team, as stablecoins really kind of come to the forefront of the conversation during this year. During the second quarter, we've added US dollar funding to Canadian accounts. We've started a wealth management approach to our business that allows one-to-one service for clients, trusts, and family offices. We'll be adding staking to web next week, which we're really exciting about, giving more channel access for staking. We're adding the travel rule to our platform with full enforcement, which allows us to connect to global exchanges. We have a partnership with a lending firm called Apex Lending. It's the first Canadian platform that's been permitted to avail crypto-backed loans in Canada. We also made a small investment into their company. So that partnership will allow our clients direct access to their lending platform. And as we move through the year, hopefully integration. And we'll be getting advanced trading through a new trading engine called Talos that we're going to implement into our system. Moving throughout the year, it's going to be a real focus on advanced trading, more trading pairs, more things that can be bought and sold on the platform. And as we go deeper into the year, it's going beyond trading, more Web3 services, enabling Netcoins users to use our trusted brand for all of their activities that they want to take on chain. So we're excited by that. And that's our update on Netcoins. Blockchain Intelligence Group is the second firm that's wholly owned subsidiary of Netcoins. Blockchain Intelligence Group is focused on regulatory compliance, on blockchain forensics, and transaction monitoring on chain. It's got a strong reputation with law enforcement, government agencies, financial institutions, money services business, where blockchain intelligence really takes away the complexity of blockchain forensics, allowing you to use a simple and easy to use tool where you can track on chain. So you can view wallet addresses, you can see transactions as they flow through with its graphing engine, you can see tagged addresses if there's illicit activity or bad actors. All of this can be seen within the tools. During last year, the ecosystem for blockchain intelligence grew significantly. We've always gone to market with our Clue product and our BitRank verified, which allowed you to see crypto risk scoring, transaction monitoring in the blockchain forensic tools. A lot of time was spent last year on building out a new suite of products to expand not only the ability to use these tools for new segments, but to do it on new channels as well. So Clue expanded with Clue Express. This opened up its forensics tool to not only be used by major enterprises and large organizations, but by smaller agencies, smaller law enforcement organizations, money services business. One of the key differentiators is a menu of services that can be chosen. So you can take the entirety of the enterprise service, or you can narrow it down specifically to what you need, how many seats you need, and how deep into the tool you want. And further to that, added the ability to simply use a credit card to purchase this. We've made it very easy and frictionless to avail these tools instantly and the ability to cancel anytime. So no longer do you need to go and have a 6-month or a 1-year contract. It's really opening up that tool to the masses. We've enhanced our risk analysis and due diligence with our on-demand reporting through the Entity Explorer. We also added Tokenize, which is a very exciting new product that allows individuals to now interact with blockchain forensics tools. So individuals have the ability now to download this app on Google Play Store or in the App Store, and on their phone start to use the great tools from Clue and our forensics and our blockchain analytics tools directly on your phone. So if you're an individual, if you want to track your own wallet, if you want to keep some added security onto some of your off-chain wallets, or maybe even just someone's asked you to do a transaction and you want to scan their wallet, you can do that directly from your phone. So it's really empowering and opening up all the forensic tools that we've been building over the last 10 years and bringing them to the masses. And as well, we have our education and certification. So you can be a certified crypto investigator with Blockchain Intelligence Group, providing tools so that you can get certifications and deeper understanding of how the blockchain works. Competitive advantage, unmatched expertise. It's really been built from the ground up by law enforcement professionals and specialists with the blockchain forensics. As well, it's been court admissible evidence. It's been used to set case law and precedent. So that's a great tool that, if you want to look at a product that's going to be seen as industry leading, it can do this. The training and certification makes it a very strong tool so that individuals and companies can learn more as they move into the blockchain and the crypto space. And, it's trusted. It's been used by federal agencies, auditors, Big Four firms, regulators, banks, and basically any money services business, any crypto service, at least in North America, that touches crypto has to have a forensics tool on board with it. So it's really gone on mass during this year, and we've built up the tools that are really going to unlock value for that. The market opportunity for us here is investigations, compliance solutions, adding in a layer of risk management and fraud prevention, and getting people skilled up on this space. As crypto assets really move into the financial services space, if you're a money services business, a financial institution, and you work in the space and you are touching crypto asset, it's our responsibility now to make sure that we have tools in place so that we can track, train our teams, and make sure that we're being regulatory compliant. Our third organization is TerraZero, which focuses on bringing brands and businesses into the Introverse, which is our bespoke version of the metaverse. And the Introverse was really born out of how do we normalize metaverse technologies and Web3 technologies so that any organization can hop in. When the metaverse first started, it was a lot of work to get land. You had to buy land in Decentraland and various other areas. You had to use crypto to buy it. And there was a lot of friction for organizations to enter this space. What we've done during last year are break down all of those barriers. We've built a brand new gamified social platform so that brands, artists, creators can have their own bespoke spaces that are built online, allowing them to curate spaces and engage with their audiences in a great way. So it's been developed to make sure that those who are playing games, the Roblox generation, the Fortnite generation, Minecraft generation, can evolve into new platforms as they get more mature. So what we've done is we've created our own virtual world. So it's virtual environments so that you can come hang out with your friends, play games, stream music, view video content, move around, and it's got a video game-like feel. So it's a scalable model built on the cloud. It's got software as a service, and it's customizable and personalizable for not only brands that use it, but for individuals themselves. It's got a lot of monetization opportunities built into it now. So whether it's creating content, selling your t-shirt physically and digitally, buying NFTs, tokenizing things, or gating things through tickets, the capability's been built in there. In the past, TerraZero's worked with major brands like Estee Lauder, like Miller, like Fidelity, BB Rexa, Teddy Swims, and a number of major artists in the music industry. So it's been able to grow and evolve during the last year to really get to the next generation of its build. Another focus area for TerraZero is around iGaming. So how can gaming brands, gambling brands create spaces that are bespoke online, so more interactive, moving away from the 2D mobile app where you simply just input a bet or you play the game in a flat surface. It's really gamifying it in a literal way. So your character can move around the casino, can choose which game they want to play, can play them with their friends as well. There's voice in there. You can talk, you can play your games. TerraZero can not only create bespoke environments for brands, but it can also work through affiliate programs and scale these environments so that more players can play them in a unique way. Further to that, earlier this year, TerraZero launched what's called the Great Online Sale, which works with shopping partners in Dubai. The Great Online Sale brings together a number of different activations across the Emirates so that brands can basically put everything on sale as they head into the summer seasons. TerraZero built an incredible version of the Mall of Emirates, which was completely interactive. So users can register for the platform, sign up, choose their character, and move around the sale, navigate information about what's on sale, interact with the brands, and as well enter contests in a digital world to win things in the physical world. So over 60,000 e-commerce purchase moments were generated. There were 87 brands that participate, including global leaders like Amazon, Lego, All Saints. Overall impression times of 15 minutes means it's a sticky platform. People wanted to come in, move around, learn more, and engage. And over 12,000 users registered to not only use our great Introverse environment for this, but to enter contests to win cash prizes. So over 75 days of shopping time were spent in the experience. It was quick, it was easy to log in, to sign up and register, and we're really proud about this activation. As we move forward with the platform during 2025, we'll look at a few pretty special things to tie things together. One is bringing in Web3 wallet integration. So currently we have Stripe integration so that cash can be spent on the platform. As we move further into an immersive experience, we'll bring crypto into the fold as well. So having a wallet so you can move your fiat or your crypto assets into a wallet and transact on the platform. NFTs will also follow that, meaning you can purchase moments, story moments, those gated experiences can be there. Maybe you want to hang art on your own wall within your Introverse experience or bring it with you. You can do that and gamifying it. So unlocking opportunities by bringing together Netcoins, Web3 capability in the Introverse so that artists, creators, brands, their fans, individuals who want their own apartment within the Introverse can come and do so. And it looks and feels great, and there's something to do at all times. So we're excited by this as well. We've got lots of experience that are going to be built out during this year, lots in the pipeline from music artists, from the gaming community, and we look forward to really expanding our reach with the platform into this year as well. So that concludes the presentation. There's a number of questions that are popping up in the channel, so I'm going to make sure that I get to those as well. And I'll leave this slide up so that if there are any further inquiries or you want to reach out to the team, this contact info is here. The first one is from Valsha Graves. So is this like Coinbase WonderFi for Canadian investors? Yes, absolutely. So our company is focused on our crypto trading platform or exchange, which is Netcoins. So very similar to the estate that was within WonderFi with BitBuy and CoinSquare. In addition to that, we've kind of got three ways to play. So our forensics tools, our blockchain intelligence group, which allows us to work and operate in a compliant manner, and then deeper into Web3 through TerraZero. Got a question from Andrew Reese. What markets and countries is the intelligence services available? It's a global platform, so it's unbound by any kind of regulation. We operate in the Asian market, in the Middle East, in Europe, in South America, and in North America through our contracts right now. So it truly is a global business for us, servicing those markets. Got a question from Kevin Nardon. What are our milestones to end our year across the three businesses? A great question. TerraZero, very much focused on Introverse brand, being fully live into the market, engaging with brands, getting revenue generation through the second quarter here and into the third quarter with music artists, with gaming platforms, and increasing our reach through referral agreements. So that's Terra Zero. Blockchain Intelligence Group, growing monthly recurring revenue. And that's across all of the channels, really focusing on getting the marketing for those channels out so that we can grow the individual version, the small business version, and the enterprise version's revenues and getting those stronger. And for Netcoins, continued growth, particularly in business, small business, corporates, institutional, getting them onto the platform more. We definitely have a target of getting to $1 billion in trading volume, continued growth on our registrations for our customers, and that bottom line revenue growth as well. And the floor is open for any other questions outside of those as well. All right, well, we've made it through all the questions, all the Q&A. As I mentioned, any investor inquiries, anything you want to chat about, talk to us about, you can reach us ir@biggdigitalassets.com. I'm Fraser Matthews. It's been a pleasure to speak with you today. Thank you for your time, and we'll look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.